To access the VBA code in Excel, you need to enable the Developer tab. This is done by opening the Excel application, clicking on the File tab, and then selecting Options. In the Excel Options dialog box, click on Customize ribbon, and a panel will appear on the right side. Check the box named Developer under the Main tabs option, and then click OK to save your changes. The Developer tab will now appear on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Clicking on the Developer tab and selecting the Macros option in the code group will bring up a list of available macros in the Macros dialog box. From here, you can click on Edit to view or edit the VBA code for the selected macro. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Alt plus F11 to access the Visual Basic application environment, which will open the Visual Basic editor. This is the fastest and easiest way to view the VBA code, but it requires the Developer tab to be activated. Another method is to right-click on the Worksheet tab, select View Code, and it will open the VBA editor, taking you to the code window specifically for that worksheet. This method is not commonly used but is essential when writing code for a precise worksheet. It's worth noting that the VBA editor is necessary to access the VBA code, whether using the keyboard shortcut or the Worksheet tab. By following these simple steps, you can quickly view VBA code in Excel.